Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Queen of the Heart, and I am back with another project share. So in this project share, I'm using products that I got from the Not2Shabby shop. It was her I Wanted All Valentine's Day bundle. And so for this project, I used the stamp set that came with the kit, which is the Sweet Valentine and the dies. I also used the ephemera pack, which I used the entire ephemera, and paper pack, which I used almost the entire paper. I also used this stamp set. Actually, I didn't use the stamp. I just used the dies. So I used the dies. And so what I wanted to do is I wanted to make a card and a tag that were not Valentine's Day that I could then use whenever I want. So I made this tag, and I did not put anything in the back. So I might, usually I run my die through again so that I could get a white backing, but I didn't do it this time, so I might just have like a piece of white cardstock I put in the back to write my name. The tag die is from CC Designs. It is my favorite. I use it all the time. So whenever I use my tags are almost always this die because it's just like the perfect size, and I just like it. So here is the happy birthday. I had a scrap of this mirrored cardstock. So I ran the Lawn Fawn happy birthday through it, and then I just used the ephemera and tied some seam binding, and super easy and fun. And just put this on a package and good to go. And then here is the birthday card I made. So for the happy and the birthday, I ran it through the pattern paper, and then I ran it through black, and I just kind of lined it up a little bit so you can see a tiny shadow of the black. And then here are the cute cupcakes that I use the stamp set for, and I colored with my Copics, and I think it's really cute and fun. So, and then I wanted to make, because I had some paper left, I had just enough, so to make these envelopes, and this is also in the Not2Shabby shop. It's like, she did this tutorial a couple of years ago, but I make this all the time. So to make these envelopes, I use an envelope punch, the punch board from Wear Memory Keepers. You can use the mini punch, but I use the regular size punch. And it is the size that I use is I cut my paper down to 5 3/4 by 5 3/4. And then I believe it's the first score is at 2 5/8. And then you just follow the directions to make the envelope. And so I just use the ephemera and all the little pieces that I had left I used for this. And so I have this little card right here, just enough space to write my name. And then back here, you could put like a chocolate, or I'm going to put a little Starbucks gift card back here. So I made 3 of them. So here are these 2 using the same paper. So there's that. And then this one, using that, it says I love you a latte, and little Starbucks gift card will go in there. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Queen of the Heart.